In a small, quiet town, something unbelievable happened one summer evening. A love story that started with a secret, a lost letter, and a girl who never expected her life to change forever. Tonight, I will tell you a story that will touch your heart and maybe remind you of your own first love. So sit back, listen carefully, and enjoy this magical tale. The Letter Under the Old Tree. Lena lived in a peaceful village surrounded by forests and soft green hills. She loved spending her afternoons sitting under an old maple tree, listening to the wind and drawing the world around her. One day, while she was sketching the sunset, she noticed something strange stuck between the tree roots, a small folded letter. Lena hesitated. The envelope looked old, almost forgotten, but her name was written on it, in handwriting she didn't recognize. She opened it slowly. Inside, there was a short message. "I see you every day, and I hope one day you will notice me too." There was no signature. For the next week, Lena kept thinking about the letter. Who wrote it? Why leave it under this tree? And how did the person know she came here every afternoon? The mystery stayed in her mind until one rainy evening she noticed a boy standing near the tree, quietly, as if waiting. His name was Aaron, a shy boy who loved books and rarely spoke to anyone. But that night, he gathered all his courage. I'm sorry if the letter scared you," he said softly. Lena froze. "So it was you?" Aaron nodded, unable to lift his eyes. Lena smiled, not because she expected this, but because something inside her felt warm and light. They sat under the tree together, the rain tapping gently on the leaves above them. Aaron told her why he wrote the letter. He admired her kindness, her calm presence, and the way sunlight seemed to follow her. Lena listened with an open heart. From that day, they met under the maple tree every evening. They shared stories, dreams, songs, and secrets neither of them had told anyone else. The tree became their private world, a place where time moved slower and feelings grew quietly between them. But their sweetest moment came in early autumn. A cold breeze passed through the branches, and dried leaves began to fall like golden snow. Lena looked at Aaron and whispered, "You didn't have to hide behind a letter." Aaron smiled for the first time, a real smile. "I know," he said, "but if I hadn't written it, I might never have met you like this." Lena stepped closer, her voice soft but sure. "I'm glad you did." As the leaves danced around them, Aaron gently took her hand. Their fingers fit perfectly, as if the tree itself had been waiting for this moment. And from that day on, the maple tree no longer watched a girl sitting alone. It watched two hearts growing together, quietly, beautifully, just like the love story that began with a forgotten letter.